In prime time news this evening, damage control. Parliament to hold a special sitting in response to yesterday's traffic ticket court ruling and possible refunds. Building the case, witness in one-down trial details working with the police to gather evidence. And ventilators needed. Opposition calls for audit and purchase of necessary equipment at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on the performance of successive governments in tackling climate change? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.